Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to show you guys kind of a typical winter morning routine for me. We have had a few changes in our family schedule, and I've changed my routine a little bit to try to make getting ready in the morning a little bit easier. I also have filmed an evening routine so you guys can see how those things work together, and that will be coming out probably next week, so be on the lookout for that. If you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave me a thumbs up below, and I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment. Let's get started on the video. My day starts at 6:30 and I'm using the alarm on my iPhone, which helps me figure out when I need to go to bed and what time I need to wake up in order to get 8 hours of sleep. And you can adjust that any way you like. It's a really great feature and I like using it. I even have my alarm set to birdsong in the morning to make it as pleasant as possible to get up. Of course, Austin wants to be greeted first thing in the morning, so he comes out and gives me some love, and then he goes and waits for my husband, who always takes him for a walk before breakfast. And while they're on their walk, I start making our breakfast. My husband and Austin arrive back from their walk. We're all ready for breakfast. After breakfast, I head back into the bedroom to make our bed. It just makes me feel so much more calm, relaxed, and productive to have a made bed. And then I get dressed, head back into the bathroom to brush my teeth, do my makeup and hair. With our schedule change, we now have to leave the house much earlier in the morning each day, and so I have switched my routine so that I take my bath or my shower the night before, and this has made getting ready in the morning so much faster, smoother, and easier. Now comes the most important time of my morning routine, and that is what I call my quiet time, where I sit and read my Bible and pray. It's important for me to set aside this unhurried time to spend reading God's Word each morning. It is really the best way for me to start my day, and I know when I do that I am much more likely to be the person that God purposed me to be. Each year I like to read the Bible all the way through from beginning to end, and so I started again in January. And to help me out with this, I meet with some other ladies in my church. We give each other support and accountability, and as a matter of fact, I'm headed there this morning. Our oldest son, Peyton, has started a program that is being hosted by our church, which is a work program for adults with special needs. And so he has just started there this past week, and that was the big change in our family schedule. He usually fixes his own lunch, but he's a little bit tired of sandwiches, so I offered to make him some macaroni and cheese this morning. He also likes to fix his own breakfast in the morning, so I just leave that to him, and that is a huge help. One old trick for keeping food hot in your thermos is to pour some boiling water in your thermos and let it sit for a few minutes before you fill it. Works great every time. And here we are, heading out, right? Okay. Now we are headed off to our church where Peyton will have his program today and I will have my Bible study. Well, we arrived safely and we are ready to start our day. Thank you guys so much for joining us and coming along this morning. If you enjoyed today's video, be on the lookout for my winter evening routine, which I should have up next week. If you guys are new to my channel, I would absolutely love to have you join our family here on YouTube. So when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. You guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one.